Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: how to check if someone is using your social security number in 2025. Your SSN is like the key to your financial life, and if it's in the wrong hands, it could lead to identity theft, fraudulent loans, or even tax issues. Don't worry, I'll walk you through simple, effective steps to protect yourself. First things first, start by getting your free annual credit report from the three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You can access these at annualcreditreport.com. Look for any accounts or inquiries you don't recognize. These could be red flags. Next, head over to the Social Security Administration's website. Log in to your My Social Security account to review your earnings statement. This will show if there are any discrepancies in your reported income or benefits that someone else might be claiming. If you notice anything off, report it immediately. Another smart move is to set up fraud alerts or a credit freeze. A fraud alert makes it harder for thieves to open new accounts in your name, and a credit freeze blocks access to your credit report altogether until you lift it. Now, keep an eye on your bank statements and financial accounts regularly. Look for unauthorized transactions or unfamiliar activity. If you spot something suspicious, contact your bank right away and file a report with the Federal Trade Commission at identitytheft.gov. Remember, in 2025, with advancing tech, always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication on all your accounts. By staying proactive, you can catch and stop SSN misuse early. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on staying secure. See you next time.